Take a look at stock ticker symbol LXRP. Now, this one has been requested by a lot of people. And before I even get into this technical analysis here, a lot of people have been talking about this. You're going to need to look into the company. A few of the members said that you have to cover this company, something that can go get really big. Again, this is going to be from a few people that have been following this. And I've had this stock requested from about 5 people so far this morning. So LXRP, we're going to be taking a look at this one in live time right now. You guys have broken through another level of resistance right now at that $2. Your next level is going to be at 210. You guys hit that 210. I think you're going to kind of see exactly what happened down here with the break of the 183 with a big move straight up in a breakout. That's going to be very possible here with that 210 because that is going to be, I believe, almost an all-time high here for this stock. Getting through that 210, you guys have actually hit the highs of $2.13, but I really want to see that 210 break again. That just seems to be a level right there around that 210. But right now, if we zoom into here, this is going to be the 30-minute chart, and I did do what I could as far as setting up the support and resistance. So once you got through that dollar mark, you guys made your way up to that $1.25, ended up breaking through there, pulled down a little bit. Again, each one of these candles represent 30 minutes, and you guys broke through there again through the $1.54 area. And then the next level at $1.63 that started forming here in these few hours of trading. You guys broke through that $1.63, making your way up, blowing through that 183. And like I said, you guys got up here to that high, and it's pulled back down to that support level at that $1.83, which ultimately was your 20-day simple moving average, which we can see right there as well. Now, looking on the 30-minute chart, you guys are right at that $2 right now as we speak. Again, that was that resistance. It keeps fluctuating between $2 right now and that $2.05, $2.03, right around that area. But again, where you guys are currently at $2, if that doesn't hold, your next level of support is going to be the next one at that 10-day simple moving average at $1.90, followed up with the $1.83. Again, this is going to be a 30-minute chart. Now, if I snap over here to the daily, this daily chart's telling me that it is about overextended as far as buying pressure goes, in my personal opinion. You guys see that it's spinning right now at that $2, that spinning top right now, usually indecisive for the bulls. And normally when you see something like this, it's followed up the next day with a pullback. And that's what I think could be happening here, in my personal opinion. Remember, you guys down here at the bottom back in November, look at how many times you guys got up to that dollar mark. And then finally made your way through there, and it's been running since. And you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days of buying pressure just really coming into the stock. So in my personal opinion, I think that it might have one more day left. It could begin to pull back tomorrow. It's getting pretty overextended on the daily chart, but on the 30-minute chart, I'm going to watch that as well. So 12.13 is going to be today's current date at $2 for the current price. You guys are going to have that resistance at 210. I'm going to put in here at $2 and 210. Support underneath this right now is going to be that $1.83, the major one that I'm watching, $1.83, followed up by the $1.63, and then the $1.54, and so on. In my opinion, I'm gonna put on here close above. All right, so basically, if you guys can get a close above that $2.10, it could go. But again, in my personal opinion, I think that it's going to start pulling back tomorrow, unless that $2.10 that we talked about, if you guys get a close above that, it could possibly continue on one more day and then start pulling back tomorrow after the open. But I will keep an eye on this one, LXRP, especially going forward. This one has been very strong. A lot of people are saying that there's a lot of good fundamentals into this company. I would definitely look into that as well. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And then on top of that, if you don't mind checking out the stock message board, the link's in the description below. This way you can post your thoughts with tens of thousands of other investors just like yourself over here on investorshangout.com.